Hello everyone! Once again, my name is Jay Araneta from Canada Visa 101 and Easy Visa Online Corp. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon kung ano ang specific na gastos ninyo para mag-process ng inyong study permit. Actually, pinadala ko na sa inyo sa inyong email kung magkano ba ang pinaka overall na gastos ninyo. Dinetail ko siya, no, nandoon sa Excel file as well as yung Word file na pinadala ko sa inyo. But if you haven't read it yet, nandoon na kasali sa inyong gastos will of course be yung tuition, yun yung medyo malaki. Right now, nagre-require si Canadian government na magpakita kayo ng proof na meron kayo ng pambayad ng first year ng inyong pag-aaral sa Canada. Ganon din yung living expense. Kailangan din natin ipakita yan. No, so, ang mga kliyente namin na in the past that have processed the application, pinakita either they have the money or if somebody in the family helped them out or sometimes kahit yung mga relative or distant relative na tumulong. Yun ang nakapagpa-approve sa application nila. But of course, there may have been more na mga aplikante na gusto mag-apply pero did not have any means. But right now, from the last email that I've sent, even that baka pwede natin i-provide ng tulong, no, which is in the way of introducing you to our partner in Canada, Passage, who actually gives loans sa pag-a-apply. Kasama na yung sa loan sa yung tuition na sinabi ko kanina, medyo malaki, as well as yung living expense kung kailangan ninyo. Sa ngayon, pag-uusapan natin. So sa ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin, although nabanggit ko doon, kung magkano ba ang ibabayad ninyo CCIC to start your application. To start your application, if you're ready to go into this journey, to apply, to study, and eventually apply for permanent residence sa Canada, ito pa rin yung pinakamabilis at pinakamagandang program sa Canada right now in terms of speed and yung percentage of passing, no? Student pa rin talaga. Then, what you should do is to consider signing a contract with us. Once that happens is, papadala namin kayo ng checklist of requirements. And then, sisimulan na natin yung application. As you comply, we'll give you all the help that you need. May it be kung ano ang documents na kailangan, tutulungan namin kayo. Kung hindi nyo maibigay, so of course, we'll provide you the proper consultancy, advice kung ano ang alternate na document na kailangan ninyo. Um, and then, after that, yun na yun, no? Kailangan natin mag-apply sa school para makakuha tayo ng acceptance. And once all the documents are complete, yun yung pag-apply natin for a study permit. So, pag-apply ngayon sa study permit, maabot ng mga 3 buwan, no, sa application. And then, pag nandun ka na, you can study, and when you're already qualified to apply, you can apply for permanent residence. May mga rules lang na kailangan nating sundin para mapakapasa kayo sa pag-apply ninyo. And also, kung may balak kayong dalhin ng inyong family, you have to know the proper application para mangyari yon. Or kung gusto mong mag-apply ng work after, kailangan proper din yung application. So, ito yung service namin na pwedeng ibigay sa inyo. To avail of our service, ang kontrata namin, actually for student, basically, it's this one, no? Para sa single applicant, ang regular contract namin is 2,000. And then, pag sa with dependent, so halimbawa, you are married with kids or without, it's 3,000. That is the installment price na in-offer namin. Pero kung halimbawa, you're going to pay fast, you can avail of a discounted rate, which is 1,500 pag single applicant and 2,250. So, ito yung aming pinaka-basic na contract for student. But you know what? In our application or handling applications for clients, iba-iba ang needs ng mga aplikante. So, to start minsan, may kliyente kami na sabi nila gusto ko lang sana Jay talaga is somebody to guide me with the kind of documents na kailangan ko to answer my questions. But I'll do everything myself pa rin. So, halimbawa, ako pa rin yung magfa-file. Gusto ko lang talaga somebody to help and answer questions for me. Actually, may ganun kaming contract. No? Ang contract na tawag namin dyan yung basic membership. Basically, you pay $500 if you're single and 600 if you are a family application. Unlimited consulting yan, no? Hanggang makapag-file ka. Ang difference dito is we're only providing you the answers, but we are not doing the filing, the encoding, as well as combining all documents. Hindi kami ang tumutulong sa inyo sa paggawa ninyo ng mga letters, mga presentations, kayo yun. No? Tutulungan na namin kayo by answering the questions you may have. So parang ito ay ideal sa mga DIYs, no, na gusto ng help, no, with their application. Pero kung halimbawa, gusto niyo a little further, and gusto niyo na ba, sige, gusto ko na rin sana na i-check nyo, i-cross-check nyo yung forms with the documents, and then tulungan nyo kami a little bit with the documentation, pero ako ang mag-file ng application ko. We have the premium membership. So, ang premium membership, you can start that, no, you can pay 500 pa rin. And then before if file yung application, you can add another 500. There was 1,000 pa rin yun. No? And then you file your application. Meron namang ibang mga aplikante na sinasabi na, okay, gusto ko lang malaman, but eventually, gusto ko pa rin yung overall package ninyo for student. Pwede din yun. Let's say you start with a 500, binigyan namin yung mga dokumento, let's say hindi pa available yung mga funds that you have to avail our services. And then eventually, naging okay na siya, kompleto na. Pwede natin na-convert from a basic membership to the full student package. Ang ating pagbayad sa ating authorized representative is when you're already ready for that part of the application. So, pwedeng bayaran nyo kaagad or pa pwedeng as we complete the documents and almost ready na tayo mag-apply, saka natin bayaran yung sa authorized representative natin. So, actually, I am available to discuss the documentations, but kung ako sa inyo, i-avail nyo itong aming services, no? It's something na hindi nyo makikita sa iba, no? Para ma-process na natin ang inyong application. So either you can start with the basic membership or you pay the full student. You can do the installment kung halimbawa hindi kompleto yung document. Kasi installment na yun, maganda no? Kasi you pay something first when you sign the contract before i-file, magbayad kayo. And then pag ma-approve na, most of the documents, most of the payments pala will be charged sa inyo or sisingilin sa inyo pag approve na yung application. Pero kung halimbawa, syempre, ang preference nyo naman is a bigger deduction on the cost of the consultancy, pwede nyo i-avail yung discounted. So they have a lot of options. Pwede namin kayo tulungan. Ang kulang na lang is kayo, no, to start. Alam niyo po, ang mga applications, kailangan sinisimulan ka agad ng mabilis yan. Kasi, ang schools, when they open their admission, mabilis mapuno. So, halimbawa, one school in Canada, Bow Valley College, ano pa lang ngayon? It's already August. August pa lang. Pero, magbubukas ang admissions nila by September 15 this year. So, kung ako sa inyo, ayusin na natin yan. And, um, we can apply to the schools. Lalo na kung halimbawa, you want to avail of the loan, that's another thing. No? May timeline din yan. Lahat may timeline, na kailangan ng oras. Kaya, the earlier you start, the faster na magkakaroon kayo ng visa for Canada. But also, the more na matutulungan namin kayo to have a successful application. Once again, I'm Jay Areneta from Canada Visa 101 and Easy Visa Online Corp. I'm hoping to see you when you start your application. See you soon.